Asus Nuke 13 Pro is basically a tiny computer that feels way stronger than it looks. Even though it's small enough to hide behind your monitor, it packs in a fast Intel Core i5 processor, 16GB of memory, and a speedy 512GB solid state drive, so it starts up quick and runs smooth for work, streaming, or everyday stuff. It even supports 8K displays, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth, which is pretty crazy for such a little box. The best part is that it runs super quiet, you'll barely notice it's on. The only small downside is that it uses DDR4 memory instead of the newer DDR5, so it's not the absolute latest tech. But honestly, unless you're a hardcore gamer or need top tier specs, this thing is more than enough. I'd recommend it if you want a powerful space-saving PC that just works without any fuss.
If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.